Alright, multiplying imaginary numbers. Okay, so if we're multiplying binomials, I'm still going to do it like this. 2 minus I. And just multiply it out like I was doing long multiplication. Negative I times negative I is negative I squared. I times 3 is 3I. But negative 2 times I is 2I. But positive. And 2 times 3 is 6. So that's 6 minus I squared. So remember, I squared equals negative 1. So that flips the negative of this one right here. So that becomes 6 minus I plus I. Oh, and look, the I disappears. That's pretty cool. So the answer is 6. That's the nuts and bolts of this. 41, same idea. We'll multiply the whole thing out. So 3 minus 2I. Negative 2I times negative I is positive 2I squared. Negative 2I times 4 is negative 8I. 3 times negative I is negative 3I. And 3 times 4 is 12. So I got 12 minus 11I plus 2I squared. And again, that 2I squared becomes a negative because, remember, I squared is a negative 1, so it's 12 minus 11I minus 2I, and 11 minus 2 is 13. So 12 minus 13I. That's your answer. Alright, if you're not doing this on your own yet, do 42 on your own. These are easy. Alright, here we go. 4 minus 3I. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, so that's positive 9I squared. Negative 6I, negative 12I, positive 8. So that's 8, negative 18, and positive 9I squared. If I flip the I, that becomes 8 minus 18I minus 9I. So that's 8 minus 18, no, 8 minus 27I. That's my final answer. Done. Oh.